Hello lovely people, welcome back once again. Today we are making a very delicious and traditional Ghanaian dish, Kontomire Abomu, served with ripe and green plantain. This recipe is simple, flavorful and full of natural goodness. Before we start with everything, let me take a moment to thank all my new members and also old members right here. You guys are amazing. I love you and your support means so much to me. Now let's wear our apron and let's get cooking. So I'll start by cooking some turkey berries, fresh pepper and kontomire. I'll add everything into a clean pot. Add enough water to cover everything nicely because these vegetables needs time to soften very well. Cover the pot and allow it to cook gently. This step is very important. Now whilst that is cooking, let's move on to our plantains. We are using both ripe and green plantain for this recipe for that perfect balance of sweetness and firmness. I'll begin by peeling the plantains. To do this neatly, hold the plantain firmly and also use the knife to create a long incision on the skin from top to bottom. Now carefully use your finger or your knife to open the skin gently, just the way you see it on your screen right now. And also I'll use the knife to scrape the back of the plantain as well. After that, cut it into any preferred shapes or size that you want. Okay, we're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. And for the green plantain, as you can see, the skin is a little bit tighter, so you can take your time. Just take your time and repeat the same process just with the first one until it's nice and ready as well. Once all the plantains are peeled, we're going to transfer them into a clean pot. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload amazing video. Thank you so much for doing that. Now we're going to add some eggs so they can cook together with the plantain. Next, I'll sprinkle salt to taste. Pour enough water to cover them and cover the pot. Allow it to cook on medium heat as well. Now let's get back to our vegetables. At this point, they are not fully cooked yet, so gently turn everything over to help it cook evenly. After about extra 10 minutes, everything should be fully cooked and ready. Alright, so after 10 minutes, it's ready. We're going to drain the hot water and set the vegetables aside. Now let's move on to our grinding. So this is my asanka. I'm going to start by adding some chopped onions and a little salt. The salt will help the onions break down faster. Grind gently until the onions become soft and smooth. Once done, we're going to move ahead and add pepper. If you are still with me at this point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Now we're going to add the pepper as I said. So after adding the pepper, continue grinding until the pepper blends completely into the onions. Take your time here because this forms the base flavor. And let me also add to this, if you want to have that authentic taste of this abomu, you don't need to use blender. Everything requires the sanka or the grinding process and you are good to go. Now I'll add a little peanuts and also a little granola paste to it. Grind everything for a few minutes until the mixture becomes creamy, smooth and well combined. Now it's time to add our boiled turkey berries. I will press it very gently and against the walls of the asanka to break them open so the seeds blends well. Take your time and grind until you no longer see whole berries. It's very important, okay? After grinding the turkey berries, go ahead and add in your kontomire. Add it little by little so it breaks well with the pepper and peanut mixture. But if you are a pro just like me, go ahead and add it because kontomire is very soft and very easy to grind. Okay, now we're going to grind everything until it becomes soft, smooth and well mixed, but still with that natural abomu texture. Now at this stage I'm going to be adding in my momoni or kobe. You can either use momoni or kobe, but this time around I'm going to be using momoni. I'm going to smoke it a little bit off camera, and afterwards I'll add it to the mixture and grind until everything mixes well beautifully. The momoni is going to give the abomu that special smoky salty taste we're looking for, and also for that perfect seasoning I'm going to add in my aromat shrimp seasoning for that final flavor boost. Don't forget as well to add a little salt to taste. Mix everything well until the seasoning disappears into the abomu. Next, in a separate pot, I'll pour in some palm oil. Allow it to heat very well. After that, add your kobe and let it fry slowly. At this point, you can also add some momoni if you want, but for today, I'm only going to be using kobe to fry my oil. Okay, this is because the kobe will release its flavors and aroma into the oil, and that will be perfect. Next, I'll go in with some chopped onions as well. Let it fry together with the kobe for about few minutes until the edges of the onion turn golden. If you prefer, add any protein of your choice at this stage, fish, meat, or you can leave it out entirely, but for today I'm using mackerel fish. Okay, now I'll stir everything together very nicely. Once everything is fried, pour this hot palm oil mixture gently over the abomu in the asanka, and trust me, you will love this combo. All you have to do is to trust the process. By now your plantain and eggs should be well cooked. Drain the water, peel your eggs, and let's set everything aside. Serve your freshly made kontomire abomu, add your ripe and green plantain, your eggs, and enjoy this wonderful traditional meal. And there you have it, simple, nutritious and absolutely delicious kontomire abomu with plantain. Thank you all so much for watching, especially our new members. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more authentic Ghanaian recipes. See you in the next video and stay blessed. Bye.